Excise Commissioner Garu. So this is a request from all the women of Eastgaon. Now show all these women. These are the women of Eastgaon who came all the way from their homes to this place to protest against establishment of a liquor shop right in front of their homes. They are feeling highly insecure because their husbands are always out of their homes in search of work, and these people will be alone, and then they will be going to market, they'll be sending their children to schools, they'll be sending their children to colleges, and then those children will be waiting here for auto rickshaws and buses. So now they have represented this to Honorable Collector, then they have represented to Honorable Sub-Collector, and they have represented this to many officials. So far no action has been taken. Our excise officials are simply saying that the residential colony is only 100 meters away from this place. They are saying we are very much well within the rules. But that is not the point here. You cannot apply those technical rules here. These women, they will come out of their homes and they are going to wait here for hours together for autos, for buses, and they'll get down here from the buses and then they'll take their children and go back to their homes. So this is a highly congested area where people will use this road for various purposes, particularly women, because their husbands are not there. If somebody under the intoxication, under the influence of alcohol, if somebody indulges in a crime against the women, against the children, their lives will be never the same. I request you with folded hands on behalf of Eastgaon people and Nazrul Nagar people, I request you to cancel this location. I request you to relocate this wine shop to much farther location. That is the only request. We are not against the liquor policy of the government. That is up to you. But if you set up liquor shop here, that is going to cause lot of panic among the people and sense of insecurity. I request you to kindly have a relook at your decision. Thank you very much. Jai Telangana. Jai Telangana.
అసలైన తొలి వెలుగు. Follow WhatsApp at తొలి వెలుగు official.